Dear friends, this video I am uploading in English. So far I've been uploading my videos in Telugu. So this particular video I wanted to upload English because I have a separate channel called Hyderabad Blues BLUZ on cricket analysis. So for that purpose this video I am uploading in English, sir. Yes, India has started well with respect to Australian score of 374, the winning target of 375. As I said, Shikhar Dhawan and Mayank Agarwal, if they give a better start, the lower level batsmen will get less pressure, and even we are in a position to win this match by scoring 375 runs. But point is, Shikhar Dhawan is always an unpredicted player, sir. His consistency is always in doubt. Remember, Australia has lost their first wicket at 201. Similarly, even if we can continue with the opening pair up to 200 plus runs, there is no difficulty to win this match. This is my first point. But the thing is, our players are little bit away from this ODI format ever since IPL has started. That's what my comment was in the morning, also in Telugu. Still I stick to that. Now coming to the team combination of India, as long as Ravi Shastri is there as a manager of the Indian team and Virat Kohli as the Indian captain, his decisions are getting influenced by Ravi Shastri. That's what I must say. So many players, though they are in a position to get selected into Indian team, they are not getting chances, sir. In the past, if you have seen, remember Ambati Rayudu, though he was a capable player to represent India in any one of the formats, he was discouraged, and after that he has announced his retirement. Another player like Suresh Raina, though he was in a position to represent Indian team, at least in T20 format, he was not picked up in a time, and even he got discouraged and he has retired. He has announced the retirement. If you remember, if that time of player only Jadeja is being considered, that's what my observation is, because he's an all-rounder and left-arm bowler, and Yuzvendra Chahal, being a favorite of Virat Kohli, is getting maximum chances. That's what my observation is all about. Now coming to the IPL selection, sponsors, players getting chances. If you observe, there are so many players, though they got selected in IPL for a particular squad, they didn't get chances to play their matches. Such players, as per their specialization, we need to make a list of those players instead of regular players for Indian team like Ajinkya Rahane, Jadeja, Kuldeep, and some other players like Wriddhiman Saha. In those places, these players can be picked up and given a chance, because it is very easy to test their performance on overseas pitches. They are flat pitches, fast moving pitches, even pitches, and bouncy pitches. That's the reason the new players can be experimented in overseas tours like this. If you remember, so many players are not getting chances in IPL for a particular franchisee. Sometimes some players are not even being considered in auction. Such players also there. They are not bad. Only thing is, their profile is not being uploaded or explained properly to the franchisers. That's what my point is. With respect to Indian team selection, there are so many points are there where we can discuss, but time being, I wanted to stick myself to the keeping in view of three formats: T20, ODI and Test cricket. The players who didn't get chance in IPL, they can be picked up either in this format, sir. T20 players should be given T20 preferences because IPL is being a 24 overs format. Now coming to the senior players anyway, those who have performed well in all formats, they can be limited to any one of the format and to be continued in their format. For example, Chedeshwar Pujara is not playing either T20 or 50 overs matches. He will be considered to play only test matches. That's what my point is all about. If you feel that my point is right, please share, sir. Further give your comments to me to improve my thoughts, the right track, to put me in right track. That's what my point is. But still I will say Ravi Shastri should be kept aside now. It's quite long time now. Ravi Shastri is with the Indian team as a manager. Some other senior player is should be given a chance. That's what my point is. With this comment, I am logging off, sir. I am going out of this video. Thank you so much.